Patrick, hello. We have a so beautiful party. We have our wall of help and thank you. We have some photos where we have our accident, our drone strike, our recovery when we built this new workshop, and some thank you all for some people from Connected by Your Humanity, but Burners Without Borders, Urban Gold Rotary Club, you, Patrick, Dima, of course, Sergey, who help us, and so much company and people who help us so much. We have this day and some moment when we have some ants farm where we have a new district for this ants. No, Lev. One moment, please. And we need to open a new district for these ants. And they also have a new place, like our company. We open to new goods and new decisions, I think. You can do like a handshake. Лёва! Ну ладно. We have some party. We have some friends, some people. My brother with my I don't know how it's names, Lana, and some people. And I want to cheers with you, Patrick, and with you, friends. And one moment, я хотів би випити за... Ну, можна не тихіше, це все окей. Я хотів випити за нашого друга Патріка, який нам офігенно просто допоміг, коротше, за всією цією двіжухою. Я записую відос.
Cheers to Patrick!
Cheers to Patrick! Yeah! Woo! With Lana's art.